Okay, the second part of volume in this lesson is dealing with the cylinders. Okay, so you can imagine how much a cylinder is going to hold is called the volume of that. So the formula is volume is pi r squared h. Okay, so we just got done doing prisms where we had this formula. Oops, sorry. Volume is the area of the base times the height. We just got doing a whole bunch of those with the triangles and even the hexagon one, because the bases on those can change. There's lots of different kind of bases on those. On a cylinder, the base is always a circle. So instead of having to think about this every time, pi r squared is the area of a circle. So they just replace that with this. Okay, it just makes it a whole lot easier rather than have to think individually with this. On a cylinder, it's never going to change, so we're always going to go with pi r squared h. So on a cylinder, the radius, of course, is on the base. The height between those two circles is the other dimension that we need. So let's take a look. So on this picture, I can see that the radius is 18, the height between them is 15. So all I have to do is go through and plug those numbers into the formula. So if I have r squared times 15, that's going to give me 8,460 pi. When I multiply that out, 15,268.14 cubic inches. Okay, so something like that. I mean, this is in inches, but if we had bigger measurements, this could be like a pool. It could be, again, part of a silo, and how much grain I could fill in there. Lots of different things that could go along with volume of a cylinder. So here's my second one. I think all I have to do is fill in. So you can see here the diameter is 11. That means the radius is 5.5. Just square that. Between my two circles is 21. That would be the height of my my cylinder. When I multiply that all together, 635.25 times pi, which is about 1,995.7 cubic meters. Okay, so maybe that's about the easiest one that there is, just because that in the box. So if you have any questions about cylinders and how we get those answers, please let me know.